Erosion is disturbing population of Mbanzalemba and makes them cry every day. You're gonna watch it on today's edition. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to tonight's edition of Anglais Facile. Me, your journalist Ambo Hussein Abdallah. Let's open today, 21st November 2019, with this. Our team Anglais Facile have constated the way of security it is on this day on supervision of Kinshasa. Watch detailed reports.
These days in Kinshasa, my brother, the way security is going on, we don't know where to end and where to start. These days on 24th town of Kinshasa, insecurity is happening here. We don't know if this criminal and criminal which they were arrested every day, if they have way where they get out or they only visit jail. Cause every day we watch on TV of Anglais Facile, Lingala Facile, Chikongo Facile, Chiluba Facile, criminals and colonels disturb population, and more especially when they arrest them, they take them to the tribunal. The rich there family come to corrupt and they take off of the jail. The same person come to revenge and do again the baddest things better than how we used to do it before. That's why we are saying for all general, police officer, tribunal, advocate to be careful with such a people. We are still living with them in the same society, which are very, very dangerous, can kill or do something bad at any time. If someone is punished, he has to go in jail to pay a price or can change his mind to become a good person. We Anglais Facile, we say and propose. Take it.
Foundation Nehema, together with the boss Kecha Olangi, went to visit schools. Watch detail reports by Cedric Kalema, aka I Forgot.
Come on! Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful lady started from South Africa. She came to Kinshasa DRC, where he was born, where his motherland is. Who's that one? Kecha Olangi had on her scholarship programs together with her foundation Nehema, with partnership with Blueband. They came to the Mareka Street in the town of Ngalema to help students the way he promised them. Kecha Olangi, together with his program of helping children the way he promised them last election, she never wins, but she promised them, and today she came back to realize her program. The way says Madame Kecha Olangi had on her scholarship programs. They came to the schools like Complexe Scolaire Jolie Raissa, Complexe Scolaire Imani, and Complexe Scolaire Les Amis d'Ezekiel. They pay school fees for all these students you are seeing, and all these free schools students are all of them laughing with impact and success. Parents won't again spend money for this time. I think the money will be saved for the purpose. She was not there, but she sent someone to represent her and give out the money for school fees for these students or others who have been missing money for fees. Now, today, Foundation Nehema, together with the Mother Kecha Olangi scholarship programs, who has a good heart of helping children and helping so that the future of these children can be bright. Look at yourself, how children are happy. Like this is good.
What about side of transport? Our team have constated and gives you how these days the transport it become difficult. Watch detail reports.
Come on, what happened here, my brother? You can't believe it. Transport is so difficult, more especially in the morning. Population which comes from Changu going to town or Victoire. Let me tell you, my brother, see the condition which they're going through, my brother. You can't believe it. So mouton is everywhere in Changu. Look at yourself how these cars are going in the town and others are going back. They are going back well in the morning, But coming back at 5 in the evening, my brother, if you walk yourself, you can reach Ari. But if you take the transport, you may sleep for hours and hours. Look like here. These people, they never want to wait for the transport. They use their legs to walk out. And others are taking motorcycles, and motorcycles doesn't work as well. Even motorcycle get jammed. That's why we are asking the mayor, the traffic police, to do their work job as usual, to avoid corruption and to check very well papers of drivers, and you also drivers who don't normally have a permit all papers. You should be clean and have all your papers in case of running roads to take shortcuts. That's why the transport it become difficult. Like this is not good for the population. Take it.
Nowadays in Mbanzalemba, erosion the way disturbs populations. Other families are sleeping outside. Watch detail reports.
Come on! We are in Mbanzalemba district, my brother, my sister. The way every day this population don't sleep, most especially when erosion disturb them a lot. If they neglect it, it can make the area disappear. When you talk about avenue, my brother, don't come because the avenue was being taken by the rain and has been went straight to the erosion. This population lives without avenues. Is just according to directions. That's why you gotta know where you stay or where you are going. The way you're seeing this home are almost going down. Other parts are remains. It is just a part of one rain. You find all those houses you are seeing who are still remains, they will fall off, all of them down. Oh my God. And we are calling the government and the mayor, because when you reach in Lemba here, exactly on Mbanzalemba district, you understand that this population need really serious help. We are calling people of good hearts or government to come and help this population. They have all these homes. If the house has collapsed, tell me, my brother, my sister, where those population were going to live. Like this is bad.
Let's go in Mongafula town. Their difficult of war is a lot. Population wake up every morning and want to look for water.
Come on! These people you're seeing are not selling something, but they are looking for water. We are in Mongafula town, here in the telecom area. This population, my brother, believe me that they suffer every day. Wake up early every morning to collect water, and they have to pay 100 every day each jerrycan for water. This man you're seeing is the one who created this idea of polluting water pipes here so that they can get water. Without it before, they had nowhere to collect water too. That's why you're seeing these people who are carrying in the hands doesn't have money to put it in the jerrycan or in the pickup car. Other who have money, they do it. Other who doesn't have money, my brother, they carry their jerrycan, putting it on their head. Other carrying it in their hands. These small young boys and ladies you're seeing, they are full of muscles because of doing the same exercise every day like this. We don't know if it causes again insecurity, because population has to move miles and miles every day to come and collect this water. We are tasking and calling the mayor of Mongafula town to come and see how his population are suffering because of lack of water. We know that water is life. So, like here, did they have life or hell?
On the side of Kitambo, population are crying to the company Snell to come and see how their cables are on a bad condition. It become a big dangerous for the population. Watch detail reports by Jonathan Mopila de Master.
Bad state of electricity cables in Lubudi area, more precisely in Kitambo Township, is making talk people. Brothers and sisters, look yourself those cables. You can't even imagine that electricity is dangerous when it's not far from reach of people, but over there people don't scare electricity. It was amazing. That is why we are wondering if SNEL agents visit this site and to know what happens around Lubudi area, because as you are seeing like this, it's not normal. Residents say that sometimes they lack electricity for a long time, but in the end of the month they should pay SNEL fees. It's not honest. Those bad habits should end in our city. Ultimately, we are calling on authorities to have an eye upon Lubudi area, more precisely in Kitambo Township. Electricity is not friend, but those naked cables in contact with stagnated water could cause deaths around this area. May those who have ears listen. Electricity is not respect. Pay attention to that. And also, SNEL agent do something for Lubudi residents. Up to us, we say, on purpose. Take it.
We've reached to the end of today's edition, 21st November 2019. I was very happy to present you, Mio journalist Ambo. Hussein Abdallah, I would like to thank the team accompanying me today behind the camera, aka Cedric Kalema, editor-in-chief, Wilson Madaumba, editor, Jonathan Mopila, the master. I would like to wish a happy birthday to Anifa Ali Kumbakisaka. Enjoy your day, Anifa Ali Kumbakisaka. We're gonna wish a happy wedding days to Lawrence Senga Shako. Lawrence Senga Shako, wish you a happy wedding day. Enjoy your day. We are together. Without forgetting Sylvie Kufukisa, Perle de Liège, Restaurant Makuba. Those are the people who help us. And la belle Jancine Lukidi, Mwana Popia Mukulu, mother of Jadin, Grayson, and Kairan. For today, I'm not going to disappear. I'm going straight to the Commandant Bar, Bas Bukangalonzo, village na Katiaville.